The Honeywell HAC 504 Series Humidifier Replacement Wicking Filter A 2-pack works with cool moisture humidifiers and features an optimized filter design that maximizes moisture output. This genuine Honeywell replacement wicking filter with ProTech antimicrobial treatment helps inhibit 99% of growth and migration of mold, fungus, algae, and bacteria on the filter. The filter captures minerals and pollutants from the water and helps prevent white dust, while the blue pre-filter layer helps capture large airborne particles. For more information, a full list of compatible humidifiers, or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.